And as you see, it doesn't get very close, and any place there's a little bit of a deviation, like in height of the boards, it's going to skip it unless you sand a whole lot and tear the boards down that far. With an old house and uneven boards, it's the only way you can do it, so I have to hand sand this. And our floors are white oak, and it's like petrified wood, so maybe it's just that our floors are really hard. And the worst part is absolutely all my stuff is covered with dust. Picture frames, everything. We did cover some of the furniture, but we're going to have to do some major dusting. Okay, today I finished the dining room, and there's a lot of places I couldn't get, so I'm going to have to take my hand sander all along the edges under the radiators. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to build a box around that radiator, hide it. And the trim goes back on there. But there's still more to do. Actually quite a bit. There's the other room too. If you've got white oak like we do and it's just really super hard, the thing almost stops working after a minute. And you gotta just, well, we bought, I don't know, can you see how many we've gone through? Of the 36 grits. There's empty packages. We used it all. I bought more, I kept going to the store and buying more. There's empty packages everywhere. I have to put all this stuff up. I've got such a mess. There's more over there. And my little sander I have to take. So we have 2 rooms that have a lot of detail work, and I have to finish these baseboards that I didn't finish. And we've knocked a few places where I have to repair on the colonnade. As you can see, my chairs. And my little cat didn't want to leave. He just stayed in his little bed. The other 2 cats ran for the hills. And up on the landing and down in the basement. But this one, he's old. And it takes a lot of effort for him to get up, so he just held his ground. And I even pushed his little bed around when it was in the way, and he stayed in it. He's so cute. I have to say it's looking good as far as the grain and stuff. So I'm going to count up all of these packages. They're all used. Let alone the belt sander that I haven't even did much around the edging, so I'll go through a few more packs of those too, and the belt sander. But it's still cheaper than paying somebody. Hope it turns out as good. Okay, I counted these. It's a broken one. We went through 21 of the 36 grit, all empty. 4 of the 80, well, go to the next courses. 6 of the 50 and 4 of the 80. So 21, 6, and 4. We have 1 package of 80 we get to take back and get our $6 back. Total, we went through 31 packages, and each package contains 3 circles, but you need all 3 circles to put on the machine. There's 3 circles on the machine. So we did 31 of them, and they're $6 a piece. And the machine was 2 days at $39 a day, and I suppose there'll be tax. So the grand total of the machine, 2 days rental, which was $39 a day, plus 31 packages of the sanding discs. Came to $264, much more than we thought. Actually, we thought we was going to do it under $100.